Today, we're gonna make this beautiful handcrafted wall hanging. To do this, we need 4 types of colored papers, a scissor, a thread roll, glue, a sketch pen, some plastic pearls, and thick piece of cardboard. First, we need to cut the cardboard round and make a circular shape out of it. Then, cut another circle inside the cardboard, and make a ring. Then take the yellow paper and cut a small piece from it. You need to fold it and cut it with the scissor as I am doing. Then draw the circular pattern with the sketch pen. After finishing 1 flower, make 7 more. Now take the yellow paper again and cut a bigger piece than the previous 8 pieces you've cut before. You can choose how big you want it to be, but remember, you have to make 8 flowers with the same size. Now take the yellow paper for the 3rd time and cut an even bigger piece from the previous batch and make 8 bigger flowers. And after you're finished, now for the last time, take a biggest paper and make 8 biggest flowers from that. After making all the flowers, take the red paper and cut a long portion from it. Then, fold the paper and start shredding the paper till the edge. After shredding, glue the joints. Then, put the scissor in the middle of the shredded parts and cut the joints. Now make 2 more of them. Now, take the ring we made earlier, and glue the biggest flowers on it. Next, glue the 2nd largest, then the 3rd. And then time for the final cute ones. Now cut 2 even lengthened threads from the roll, and after that, cut another one just a little longer than the other 2. Then, glue the shorter threads on both sides, and the longer thread in the middle. Now, take the pink paper and take a small piece from it, then, make a heart from it. Now, if you're finished learning, make exactly 26 hearts. And, it's time to glue the hearts for a beautiful design. Glue 2 hearts on both sides and attach them on the thread. Now, add 4 heart shapes on both sides, and 5 shapes on the middle one. Then take the red shredded papers and glue them just like me. Now take a thick piece of paper and make a ring from it. And then glue it at the top of the design. And congratulations, you have successfully made this beautiful wall hanging. Now remember, you can choose the size and color of the papers as long as you understand how to make the design. If you like this video, then consider subscribing this channel. Share it with your friends, and just like this, I'll see you in the next video.